Good morning, students. Today I will take important sum for unit test exam. Okay, revision test for important sums. Okay. Now look at here. Revision test. Okay. So question number 1. Suppose x plus 1 by x equal to 6 to 5 whole 1 by 6 to 5. Find the value of x. How to solve? If you multiply these two, no, so big figure will come. So just look at here. I am showing how to solve this type of sums. So x plus 1 by x, we can write 6 to 5 plus 1 by 6 to 5, no, whole. Now x minus 6 to 5, take this implies sign we give, okay, plus 1 by x minus 1 by 6 to 5 equal to 0. Okay. Now x minus 6 to 5 plus, write 6 to 5x LCM, x, this divided x, so only 6 to 5, so write into 1, 6 to 5 minus x is there, no? Write 0. Now look at here, x minus 6 to 5, here is 6 to 5 minus x, just difference only sign, okay, only sign. So write x minus 6 to 5 minus, sign change, so you can write upper part x minus 6 to 5, okay, by 6 to 5x equal to 0. So take x minus 6 to 5 common, 1 minus 1 by 6 to 5x equal to 0. So product of the quantity 0, either this 0 or this 0, okay. So right, x 6 to 5 0, so x equal to 6 to 5 and 1 minus 1 by 6 to 5 x comma 0, so x equal to 1 by 6 to 5. So solution, right, x equal to 6 to 5 and 1 by 6 to 5. Note it down. Okay. So this type of sum for MCQ, see answer will write 6 to 5, 1 by 6 to 5, the value of x. But don't write x equal to this and 1 by x equal to this. This is wrong. If you write x equal to this one and 1 by x equal to 1 by 6 to 5, then you will get to x equal to only 6 to 5. So this is quality equation, so you get two value. Okay. So x equal to 6 to 5, 1 by 6 to 5. Okay. Suppose I am showing similar type of sums are there, okay. For MCQ purpose, direct you can solve. For MCQ, okay. Just you see the sums and write the answer. Suppose similar type of sum. Suppose x plus 1 by x, so 25 whole 1 by 25. So x is answer will be, see here 25 1 by 25. 1 is there. Suppose only 25, 1 by 25, 1 by 25. None of these. Which one? This answer is there. Understood? So direct right. Similar type sum. So x plus 1 by x, c plus 1 by c. So answer will be c 1 by c. Keep in mind. Okay. c 1 by c. This type of sum. Understood? Okay. Suppose x plus 1 by x, 5 1 by 5. So answer will be 5 and 1 by 5. Two answers will come. Understood? These are similar type of sums. Okay. Again suppose say 1 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 plus 1 by x minus 2 of x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 equals to 1 by 6. Okay, this type of sum. How to solve? Say, very short process is there. One, you can write here a numerator. Look at here. So you can write here x minus 1 minus x minus 2, you know, by x minus 1 into x minus 2. Look at it. See, upper part 1 is there. So 1 you can write x minus 1 minus x minus 2. So x cancel, minus 1 plus 2, that 1 will come. Similarly, see, this one x minus 2 minus x minus 3 by x minus 2 x minus 3 plus x minus 3 minus x minus 4 by x minus 3 x minus 4 equal to 1 by 6. Okay. Now write. So we can write here x minus 1 by whole part. Then see x minus 1 cancel. So 1 by x minus 2 minus x minus 2 by this part. Okay, x minus 2 by this part. So you can write 1 by x minus 1. Similarly 1 by x minus 3, 1 by x minus 2, 1 by x minus 4, 1 by x minus 3 equal to 1 by 6. So x minus 2 this is cancelled, x minus 3 is cancelled. So remaining part is there, look at here, 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 1 equal to 1 by 6. Just to simplify, so x minus 1 minus 6 plus 4 by here x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 1 by 6. Okay, x minus 1 minus x minus 4 by x minus 4 into this, so x square minus multiplied this into this multiplied. Okay, LCM x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 1 by 6. So x is cancel here, no here. So now write so right, 3 by x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 1 by 6. So x square minus 5x plus 4 equal to 18. Cross multiply. Okay. So write x square minus 5x minus 14 equal to 0. 4 minus 18, 14. Okay. Now factorize. So you will get x square minus 7x plus 2x minus 14, 0. Take x common, x minus 7 plus 2 common, x minus 7 equal to 0. So x minus 7 into x plus 2 equal to 0. That x equal to 7 or minus 2. तो वैल्यू जाते हैं. Okay. Okay. Now next. Right, x by a plus a by x equal to b by x plus x by b. Find the value of x. Okay. So down x is there, no? Take one side. So a by x minus b by x equal, right, x by b minus x by a. Okay. Now write x a minus b. Okay, equal sign we give equal to LCM a b is here. So that is ax minus bx. Okay. Now a minus b by x equal to, take x common, x a minus b by b. Okay. Now a minus b cancel. So right, cross multiply, x square equal to ab. Then x equal to plus minus root under ab written. Plus minus you have to write. Otherwise, the number will be deducted because this quality equation is there, no? So there are two values will come. Keep in mind, in quality equation always two value. Okay, two value required. Understood? Suppose again I am giving one summary. Suppose x square plus 2x minus 899 equal to 0. Find the value of x. Okay, see. So write x square plus 2x and plus 1 minus 900 we can write now equal to 0. 1 minus 900, 899. So this part is there no formula, you know, this part. So x plus 1 whole square. This we can write 30 whole square no equal to 0. So x plus 1 plus 30 into x plus 1 minus 30 equal to 0. So x plus 31 into x minus 29 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 31 or 29. This is answer is there. Okay? And nature of the roots, of all of you know nature of the roots. Again I am reminding this part. If d greater than 0, okay, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So x equal to, that is discriminant d equal, right, b square minus 4ac. It's called discriminant. Okay. If d greater than 0 implies two distinct real roots. Okay, keep in mind two distinct real roots. Or you have to write roots are real and unequal. And one thing keep in mind, if d greater than 0 and perfect square, then it will be rational. Suppose d greater than 0 and the perfect square. Suppose perfect square is coming, then you have to write rational root. Okay, and not perfect square. Suppose d greater than 0 means, so d equal to getting 16 suppose, or 49 or 36. See, the numbers are the perfect square. Okay, so that time roots are rational number. And if not perfect square, then irrational. Understood? If you remember, you can write, otherwise just write two distinct real roots. Understood? Two distinct real roots. And d equal to 0, two roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. And d less than 0, okay, d less than 0, no real roots. This all of you know, no real roots. Okay. Okay. Suppose x square minus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Find the nature of the roots. So this type of sum, first you have to write, no. Suppose here a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3, c equal to minus 5. And d we know b square minus 4ac. Okay. First you write this part. The step marks are there. There are step marks are there. Okay. If suppose last part is wrong, after this you will get the mark. Keep in mind. Okay. B square minus 4c. That is minus 3 whole square minus 4. A1 c minus 5. So that is 9 plus 20. That is 29. Okay. Which is greater than 0. Write two distinct real roots. Okay. Nature of the roots. Nature. Two distinct real roots. Okay. Understood? Again, suppose 16x square plus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. Find the nature of the roots. Similarly, write a equal to 16, b equal to 8, c equal to 1. So d, so b square minus 4 is right. 8 whole square minus 4 is 16, c 1. So 64 minus 64 equal to 0. Okay, that is equal roots. Roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Roots are equal. Okay. Suppose the equation is right. Suppose x square plus 3x plus 8 equal to 0, right? Okay, so a equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 8. Then b square minus 4 is find out. D, that is 3 whole square minus 4, a1, c8. That is 9 minus 32. Okay. 2 minus 23 less than 0. Okay. So write no real root. No real root. Keep in mind. Okay. Next. See, another suppose I am showing root under, see, sec square theta plus cosec square theta equal to tan theta plus cos theta. Tan theta plus cos theta, right? Prove that. So at first write LHS, left hand side. So root sec square theta plus cosec square theta. So keep in mind, don't write sec theta plus cosec theta. Keep in mind. So there's some square root is given. Suppose see, we know a square plus b square not equal to a plus b. Most of the students missing here. The mistakes here. Don't write. This is wrong. Keep in mind. If root a square plus separate root b square is there, okay, then write a plus b, right? This is okay. But there's sum of the squares. Then square root is given. Okay, see, a square b plus b square. Keep in mind. Most of the students mistakes here. Keep in mind. Very important things are there. Don't write. Understood? See. So we can write here, this is 1 plus tan square theta no, plus sec square theta, and cosec square theta we can write 1 plus cos square theta. Okay. Now write tan square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 plus 2. Okay. Now write tan square theta plus cos square theta. 2 we can write. See. 2 tan theta into cot theta you can write, no? Tan cot, what is the value? 1. So you can write, see, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus twice ab, a plus b whole square, okay? So write root under tan theta plus cot theta whole square, okay? So write, okay, so it will be tan theta plus cos theta. See, this is RHS. So left hand side equal to right hand side, just right. Okay. Again write. Suppose tan square theta equal to cos square phi minus, this is phi, okay, sin square phi. Prove that tan square phi equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is given. Tan square theta equal to cos square phi minus sin square phi. This is phi. Prove that tan square phi equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So right, it's a very easy sum. Okay. So we can write this for tan square theta, we can write, see, sin square theta by cos square theta we can write, no? So here cos square phi minus sin square phi. So down nothing there, so we can write 1. We can write 1? Yes. Now write sin square theta by cos square theta. So write cos square phi minus sin square phi by, we can write cos square phi plus sin square phi, no? So down we want to cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So we can write cos square phi plus sin square phi is also 1. Understood? Now, all of you know the component or dividend, don't know, no? This is the ratio proportion chapter is there. Just I am saying that keep in mind. So here if A by B equal to C by D, both are rational number, okay, proportion, then we can write A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. Keep in mind. A plus B by A minus B equal to C plus D by C minus D. So this method is known as componendo and dividendo. Keep in mind, very important properties. Okay, very important properties of ratio and proportion. Keep in mind. Every year you will get this type of sum. One sum you get with the help of properties of proportion. Okay, properties of proportion we get one sum. Now write sin square theta. See, A by B. So this is A by B. Then A by B, A plus B by A minus B. So sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin square theta minus cos square theta. Okay. Similarly, so this is C, this is D. Whole part C. Keep in mind. This whole part C. This is D. So right, this is whole part. Okay. So right, C cos square phi minus sin square phi. C plus D. Okay. Plus means you can write cos square phi plus sin square phi. Understood? By it is C minus D. So this is C, this is D. So cos square phi minus sin square phi minus in mind bracket. Okay. Other mistakes keep in mind, give minus. So it will be cos square phi plus sin square phi. Now this is 1. All of you know sin square cos square is 1. So 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta equal to, here write bracket, just you remove bracket, so you will get here sin square phi cos sin square cancel, no? So 2 cos square phi by here also minus sign is there. Okay, cos square phi minus cos square phi cancel, minus sin square phi plus minus sin square phi, that is minus 2 sin square phi. So minus 2 sin square phi. 2 to cancel. Okay, sorry, minus in here. Okay, 2 to cancel. Okay. Now I am writing. Look at here. Now 1 by sin square theta minus cos square theta. So just reciprocate both the sides, right? So here take minus common. You can write cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay. Here sin square minus cos square theta, take minus common, equal to minus, just this also same. So right, sin square minus sin square phi by cos square phi. Both minus cancel. So right, cos square theta minus sin square theta equal to sin square phi by cos square, that is tan square phi. See, this answer is coming. Prove it here. See, suppose a by b is c by d, so you can just b by a, also d by c, no? Both are same. A by b, wait, just reciprocate. This is given to, just a by b, so b by a, right, d by c, both are changed. Understood? Very important sums, this one keep in mind. See? Okay? Now, suppose cos square theta by cos theta minus 1 whole square. Okay? Whole square equal to, this proof is there, 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta is here. Okay? So left hand side right, cos square you can write no right, so it's so the sum is here, cos square 1 plus cos square, no? Acha wait, no, the sum is not like that. Wait, suppose cos square theta by cosec theta minus 1 whole square, this is the sum. So left hand side right, cos square you can write cos square theta minus 1, no? You can write by cosec theta minus 1 whole square. So this you can write cosec theta plus 1 into cosec theta minus 1 by cosec theta minus 1 whole square. So 1 is cancelled, no? So down is there, cosec theta plus 1 by cosec theta minus 1. Okay? Now cosecant 1 by sin, so right, 1 by sin theta plus 1 by sin theta minus 1. So it will be 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta equal to RHS side. This is the proof. Okay? Just copy. Okay? Okay. And recurrent deposit all in the formula, where is the sum? Okay, recurring deposit account. Okay, just write first formula and you have to just calculation. Understood? Don't mistake any formula. If your formula is wrong, then your answer will not come. Keep in mind. Okay? Okay, bye. No more today. Again, next to the exam is coming. Okay? Okay, best of luck, all of you.